This down here looks fun. Oh shit.
So hard to tell. I mean, it's a little drop down. Yeah, I gotta pick a good line through here.
Yeah, you're gonna be off the camber because you're gonna come down. And you want to take it wide.
Yeah. Cut on over there.
This is where you're gonna be off camber. It's gonna feel awful because they're really rubbing tire right here.
Should just drive the tire over top of it?
It's a hell of a drop.
Is it on that side? Not here. Like if I came in and I brought my tire down on that. It just came down that.
You can.
Roll down there. That would keep you from being too far off camber. Versus you come down here and you just drop in here too.
Yeah.
That's not too hard either.
Pretty young lover, won't you fly away from me? Blue-eyed mama done got all the best you see. I'm all worked over 'cause you're dancing on my feet. Pretty young lover, won't you leave tonight with me? Get along, honey, don't you dare let it by. That regret just won't let you hang your head down. Better hold it up high. You had a one shot hanging from a thin thread line. You missed your mark, oh, watch him die. Lord, I'm begging you, don't let it be my time. While the walls close in and the air slips through the line. Maybe you can bury me 6 feet deep in the south. Oh, my broken heart yelling, trying to boss death around. Get along, honey, don't you dare let it by. That regret just won't let you hang your head down. Better hold it up high. You had a one shot hanging from a thin deadline. You missed your mark, oh, watch him Every now and then you can feel this weighing down. Just close your eyes, you can still hear the muffled road sound. Honey, I hope you're holding on. What you got to get now is about as good as gold. Get along, honey, don't you dare let it by. That regret just won't let you in.
right down here I need to take to the mall?
Yes.
Thank you.
Keep going.
Yeah, it's just 3 more lefts and a right, and you'll find them all. Look, I'm surfing. Oh yeah, I'm surfing.
Is that what you're doing?
Rock surfing.
Okay. Is that a thing?
It is now. I just made it up. Look at me, Josh. I'm rock surfing.
Whoa, bro, is that a new sport? You're going so fast. Stop it.
I'm so scared.
Trendsetter.
Yeah, you can't stop me either. Ooh.
Okay, get in your
I
Jeep.
need you to go turn around and do this in reverse.
Meow.
One, please.
Quit clearing the trail. Those rocks are scary.
Hey, we got more trail to do. Keep it moving.
I don't wanna. I'm with Josh. You fucking lied to me, man. There's no mall here.
He said down here, take a right.
What?
Yeah, there's a mall right down here. Go, hurry. We gotta get to the mall. Need my Dippin' Dots. Is there even Dippin' Dots anymore?
Is that a thing?
I don't know.
How old are you?
Shut up, man.
Oh shit, full send, get out of the way!
Jeez. Oh yeah! Bam! 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 Do you remember giving it gas the whole time? Whoa! Whoa! Bam! 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 Bam!
I had
Bam!
to use pedal
Bam.
control to fuck about like that.
Bam! 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 Bam!
Bam!
Bam!
Bam!
Bam! Bam! Bam!
Bam! Bam!
Glass breaks.
Back up a little bit so I can actually look at this again because I'm on top of it. I can't even see where the boulder is. I just can't see it. Okay. Okay, cool. We're talking and we're coming up on it, and I'm like, where was my line? Because we were chatting. I want to go to the left. All right. No problem, double checking.
As the captain is trying to navigate over a boulder, let's watch him. Oh, damn, girl.
Brody's gonna do what Blue Line Over plan just warned us. We might want to go around.
He says it's a V-notch, that's the issue.
Like it's just deeper in the middle than it looks. How much he goes on the water?
Turn the fans off.
Not yet. Yeah, now it's good.
Are you scooping mud yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. There you go. There you go. Proved us wrong, Rudy. Good job. Proved us wrong.
And you're gonna get out of that crawl mode.
The road is stained red right here.